Jack loved stargazing. One clear night, he decided to go on an adventure. He packed his telescope, a flashlight, and a map of the stars. Jack's destination was the hill outside the town. Known for its dark skies. As he hicked up the hill, the town lights faded. And the stars became brighter. When he reached the top, the view was breathtaking. The sky was a canvas of twinkling stars. And distant galaxies. Sitting up his telescope, Jack pointed it towards the moon. The craters and the mountains on the moon's surface. Were incredibly detailed. He then shifted his focus to Mars. Noting its reddish hue. Suddenly, Jack noticed a shooting star. Excited, he made a wish, hoping it would come true. The night air was cool and refreshing. Making him feel alive. Jack spent hours observing different constellations and taking notes. He saw the Great Bear, Orion, and even the faint glow of the Andromeda Galaxy. As dawn approached, Jack packed up, feeling a sense of accomplishment. He realized that sometimes the most extraordinary adventures are the ones we embark on alone under the stars. And taking notes.
Lire des histoires est une excellente façon d'apprendre l'anglais, car cela vous permet d'acquérir du vocabulaire, d'améliorer votre compréhension et d'apprendre la grammaire de manière naturelle et agréable. Les histoires courtes, en particulier, sont idéales pour les débutants car elles présentent un vocabulaire plus simple et des structures grammaticales moins complexes. Merci de vous abonner à Anglais Facile si vous n'êtes pas encore abonné.